Hi and welcome to this new sound comparison. Today we are going to compare the older JBL Extreme to the brand new JBL Boombox. I just got the speaker some days ago and I already did 2 videos on it, but so many people requested a comparison against the JBL Extreme, so I will do this very quickly here, just because it's a very unfair comparison. The JBL Extreme is cheaper and obviously, as you can already see, it is of course way smaller than the JBL Boombox and just in a totally different class. I also don't think that the Boombox is, direct successor to the JBL Extreme. There might be a JBL Extreme 2 next summer, and if there isn't any JBL Extreme 2, the Boombox probably is the way bigger replacement to it. But now, please put up your headphones, as this is a high quality binaural microphone recording, and enjoy the sound comparison.
Tell me how you feel. Why can't you take me closer? I could be the wind. I could take you higher. If I could steal the sun, could I be your fire? I'll take you to the moon. Space be racing. Ooh, I wanna take you there. Fancy car, wanna make it. I promise we can take it slow. Can I get away now?
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. The moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just what you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so
sacred technique of hate evasion. She didn't freak out when everything out of his mouth seemed a little Asian. Influenced and a mother looking down from the space station. Through them I learned I could be great, depending on which direction that I face, son. Happiness only takes one. Losing more clues, man, I might not make it. Amount of times I hear snooze. Wake up, Tyler, you ain't got nothing to lose. Came from the same stuff as the bruise. Now we free from he who shall not be named. Dude, never been around, it could be gained, so he can wallow in his shame. Was a hard pill to swallow, but we took it the same. Remember all the times he tried to take me back, pick me up from school and
Take a breath and breathe. Inhale, exhale, this music's all that I need. Take a breath and breathe. Inhale, exhale, this music's all that I need. Filling up my lungs, filling up my lungs, filling up my lungs. Inhale, exhale, this music's all that I need. 5 years from that bottom slide. Haters talk, but I never stop. Cut my shows, try to hold me back, but you can't keep me from the top. Yeah, I worked hard, yeah, I took chances. My hometown can't stand us. Did everything they said that I couldn't. Now I got people saying I'm next. Now I cut checks for the songs I drop. Finally getting love for the bars I got. Bring it all back in love from the east. Talk on the gram, not a word when we meet. Keep that BS in my if they give me a beat. Say that I'm garbage, I guess we got beef and they envy. My hunger get pissed when we eat. Whole squad coming up with me. Yeah, I'm close to the luxury. Would've blown up last year, but my day was faded, ain't nothing. I'm living out what I deserve, but I still stress what I earn. Put it all on the table, no label, we find independent, we rise, so just give it some time.
Get down to the B side.
to happen. Make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out. But nobody knew. And now we done it. And now we done it. How can I say it so that you could understand?
So this was it from this comparison, and as you could, I don't know, clearly hear, the JBL Extreme had no chance against the boombox. Especially on max volume, the boombox is a huge improvement. The JBL Extreme really sounded shockingly bad. Everyone says, yeah, it doesn't sound that great on max, and I never really realized it, but now as I tried it, wow, it sounded pretty compressed. A lot of, I don't know, electronic processes happening in the background to, I don't know, somehow fix the sound, but so you could hear some very sizzling treble. Bass was pretty boxy sounding, no deep bass at all on max volume anymore, so it sounded pretty hopeless on max compared to the boombox especially. The boombox still sounded very nice, again a bit too much treble at max volume, but again maybe that's good for outdoors. We will have to check this out in another video, but still sounded very enjoyable, no heavy compression, no volume dropping, and that's really great. I think there's no other speaker which is this portable and can, I don't know, play this loud with this little compression. The iWaxus 9, of course, it's cheaper but it's way bigger, just as heavy, but it's still much bigger than the JBL boombox and doesn't sound as good on normal levels. And there's the Harman Kardon Go Play, which sounds almost as good on normal levels, but cannot keep up on max volume whatsoever. It's much softer, and also I think, in my opinion, doesn't keep as much bass and doesn't sound as good anymore. So JBL really managed something nice here. It sounds very nice on high levels, especially on max. You could see here some nice deep bass kick, and of course JBL Extreme lost in any way. Also with any kind of music I played, the JBL Extreme really had no chance against the new boombox, but of course this is what's to be expected from such a smaller and of course less expensive speaker. I think you can pick up the JBL for the JBL Extreme for under $200 now, while the boombox is brand new and goes for $450, which is of course a big price difference. But if you want to upgrade your speaker and you don't want to, I don't know, lose any features of the Extreme, the JBL boombox definitely is the one to go here. So if you enjoyed this video and you, I don't know, could get a nice idea of the sound of those two speakers, please leave a like or subscribe to the channel, also to see many more of those kind of comparisons. Until then, have a great time and bye bye.